Everyone talks about making money on Upwork. But today, I'm going to share a real story of how a complete beginner got his first Upwork client, and turned that into $500 plus in earnings, all within a few weeks. This story will inspire you and teach you the exact steps you can follow to do the same. Let's go. 1. The beginning. This freelancer was new to Upwork, had no experience, and started with just a simple skill, Canva graphic design, mostly Instagram posts. He didn't overthink it. He picked a micro niche instead of just saying graphic designer. His title was, Direct Hit, I will design 5 Instagram posts using Canva. He created a clean profile, wrote a short, clear description, and uploaded 2 to 3 simple Canva samples. That's it. 2. The first job. He applied to 8 jobs every day, but with a twist, he only applied to clients with white heavy checkmark payment verified, white heavy checkmark no or low hiring history, white heavy checkmark clear instructions. His proposal wasn't long, just 3 short lines. Hey, I read your job and I can do this quickly. I've done similar posts before using Canva. Let's connect, I can deliver within 24 hours. He also added 1 sample as an attachment in the proposal. 3. The breakthrough. On day 4, he got his first reply. The client liked his quick response and gave him a $15 job for 3 Instagram posts. He over-delivered, sent 5 instead of 3, and delivered within 12 hours. Result? White medium star a 5-star review plus $5 tip. 4. Scaling to $500 plus. After that 1 review, everything changed. He used that first job as a portfolio item, and his proposals now said, backhand index pointing right, here's a job I recently completed, client loved it. Within 2 weeks, he got, briefcase 6 more jobs. Moneybag total earnings, $512. Rocket, he was now getting invitations instead of sending proposals. So what can we learn from this real Upwork success story? White heavy checkmark, start small. White heavy checkmark, focus on 1 skill. White heavy checkmark, apply daily with smart filters. White heavy checkmark, over-deliver on your first job. White heavy checkmark, use that job to build trust fast. If this beginner can do it, you can too. Thumbs up, like this video if you found this story helpful. Speech balloon, comment below, my turn now. If you're ready to start. Bell and subscribe to Earnify hacks for more real freelancing stories and tips.